Welcome back to our channel. This video will be an in-depth web design tutorial. I'm going to walk you through how you can create a stunning website from start to finish using Google Sites. What's great about Google Sites is that it's a 100% free website builder platform from Google that makes it easy for anyone to create a custom web presence, even if you have absolutely no technical experience or design skills. I'm going to be showing you every step of the website creation process, selecting templates, choosing visually appealing themes, and finally publishing your live site. The very first step is to access the Google Sites web platform. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and then navigate to sites.google.com into your browser. And once you land on the Google Sites homepage, you'll see that there are two different options for starting a brand new website project. The first option is to create a completely blank site from absolutely scratch using their blank template. This one really tests your creative flexibility and how much you can do on your own. The second option is to use one of Google Sites' many professionally designed templates categorized by industry and theme. For example, they have pre-made templates already optimized for businesses, restaurants, weddings, portfolios, non-profits, and so much more. These templates can save you a ton of time and provide inspiration if you're not sure where to start. I really encourage browsing the template gallery. So feel free to explore both approaches. For this video tutorial, I'm going to be starting from blank. To start building on a blank slate, go ahead and click on the blank template option after you land on the Google Sites homepage. Selecting this will launch Google Sites Builder tool and open a fresh, empty website ready for you to mold into existence. And now we'll be on the core website editing interface where all the magic really happens. This is where you'll be creating your next website. And as an example, let's imagine we're making a website from scratch for our YouTube channel or a blog. So for that, we'll need to be adding title and branding it. So you should be adding a title or a kind of logo for your brand. Look in the top left corner and you'll see fields that say enter site name and add logo. So go ahead and type your custom site title and then click the add logo button and select your logo image file to upload it. I'm going to be adding a mock kind of YouTube channel name and logo image as an example here. You can customize this however you see fit to your own needs. And then next up, we should give our homepage a descriptive title, since this will be the very first page visitors see when landing on our site. So we're going to be naming it something that fits your brand, like home or your specific channel site or name. You should get creative with the wording. And at the top of the page, you'll see a toolbar with options to change the homepage title's font, color, size, and styling, like make it bold or italics. You can format your main heading in a way that makes it stand out. This leaves a strong first impression on site visitors. And now that we have our homepage started, let's add additional pages to the site. You can add stuff such as about or contact, blog, videos, and really you can think of the many choices you can be adding into your web page. So to add core pages, click on the pages link in the top right corner and then click the large plus icon to open the new page window. Create each new page that you need for your particular site and topic by naming them appropriately one by one. You can also create nested subpages by hovering over an existing parent page and then clicking the three-dot icon and then hitting add subpage. Subpages are fantastic for deeper organized navigation. So for example, individual blog posts would be subpages under a main blog page. And if you ever needed to rearrange your pages while designing your web page, simply click, hold and drag the pages into your preferred order within the pages list. The navigation menu will automatically update when you release the page in its new position, so don't be afraid to reorganize as needed. And at this point, we will have all of our core pages and site navigation mapped out. So now let's explore how to customize the design, colors, and aesthetics. Click on the Theme tab to browse through Google Sites' many pre-made themes that allow you to instantly change the look and the feel. So for example, if we click on this theme, it will automatically apply new fonts, colors, and background images, and way more to your site. Each theme has its own color variations to choose from, or you can pick a custom color by clicking the bottom circle and then selecting any kind of color. You can upload your own background graphics by simply clicking on the Change Image button in the theme window and then selecting your custom image file. Themes are an amazing way to instantly elevate your website's design without any artistic expertise required, so take advantage of them. Next up, we want to be adding actual content to our pages in the form of images and text, videos, and so on. This is really where your site starts coming to life. And Google Site lays out page content in sections that you add one by one. You can think of each section as a content block on the page. And to add a new section, browse the insert menu on the left and find the element that you want, like a text box or an image uploader, and etc. You can simply click and drag the desired element directly onto your page, and this will dynamically create a new section tailored to that content type. Some key elements I recommend starting with are the images or the video uploaders, customizable text boxes, dividers, and social media icons. Buttons can link out to other pages on your site or to external links, and this helps visitors navigate through your site. I also highly recommend adding a visually pleasing footer section to every page for a quick site-wide navigation and links that remain consistent. To add a footer, scroll to the bottom of any page and click on Add Footer, then insert navigational links or social icons such as copyright texts and all of that stuff. Once you've built out all of your page content by adding multiple sections and elements that support your brand, it's now time for previewing your live site. So click on the eye icon in the toolbar to launch the web page preview window. This shows you what your published site is going to look like. And here you can see your full site and test everything out. Be sure to view it on both desktop and mobile by clicking the device icons. You can make any final tweaks that you need, and when you're 100% satisfied with the design and content, it's go time. So click on the large publish button in the top right corner. This will allow you to set a custom web address and make your site live to the public. So you can double check that everything looks good before publishing, and once live you can share your website URL and get visitors immediately. And this covers our entire walkthrough for creating a very functional website from absolute scratch using Google Sites. Let me know if you have any other questions for the steps that I covered in this tutorial by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. Google Sites is the best free website builder out there right now. I hope that this tutorial gave you the knowledge that you need to design your own custom site quickly and easily. So if you found this video helpful or enjoyable to watch, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for future videos.